Hi everyone and welcome in this video. In this video we are going to talk about what we learn in this chapter. So we begin the chapter with the Mount Everest story, and we learn that success leaves clues. And so all the successful businesses leave some clues, and those clues we discuss as a four element of starting a successful business. And that four element was idea, knowledge, people, and skill. We also discussed that to be a successful entrepreneur, we don't have to have an MBA degree, or we don't have to have a technical expertise. All we need to have is an idea and the deep down knowledge of that idea, and the people around that idea, and some basic skills. And finally, we talk about that to be a successful entrepreneur, we need to be aware about our present, about our mindset, about our resources. We need to have a vision, and we need to have a determination. So thank you so much for your attention. See you in the next video.